CFA for undergraduate students in India. Now, if you are somebody who's very interested in understanding how global capital markets work, you want to have deep understanding of various asset classes, जैसे equity markets हो गया, bond markets, derivatives, commodities, etc. You're very interested in understanding कि global economic events होते हैं, how do they impact wealth, how do they impact portfolios. You want to ace at building a portfolio and managing a portfolio, then you really need to be an analyst, and the CFA program can be your gateway to doing that. Let's understand how. Now, first things first, if you're thinking of starting your CFA, और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद CFA करोगे तो आप एक गलती कर रहे हो. अब CFA ग्रेजुएशन के साथ ही होता है और आपको CFA ग्रेजुएशन के साथ साथ ही खत्म करना है ताकि when you exit your college, you exit not with 1 but 2 degrees and you can actually grab jobs as a fresh CFA, let's say at the age of 20-21 years, and I'll tell you how. So CFA शुरुआत होता है उसकी पढ़ाई फर्स्ट ईयर से. आप सेकंड ईयर में फर्स्ट लेवल के एग्जाम दे सकते हो, थर्ड ईयर में सेकंड लेवल के एग्जाम दे सकते हो और थर्ड लेवल के एग्जाम आप दे सकते हो तुरंत as soon as you finished your graduation and there you've qualified as a 3-level CFA candidate, right? Now, अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट है तो तुरंत शुरुआत कर दें. अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में नहीं, सेकंड या थर्ड ईयर में है तो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, प्लीज स्टार्ट राइट अवे. सेकंडली, यहाँ पे 3 लेवल्स होते हैं, लेवल 1, 2 and 3. ऑल एग्जाम्स आर ऑनलाइन एंड दे आर वेरी एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड, सो द एग्जाम्स आर वेरी रियल टाइम एंड दे विल रियली टीच यू रियल वर्ल्ड एप्लीकेशन इन फाइनेंस. ओके, एग्जाम मल्टीपल टाइम्स से होते हैं, जैसे फर्स्ट लेवल का एग्जाम 4 बार होता है, सेकंड लेवल का 3 बार होता है और थर्ड लेवल का 2 बार होता है. तो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एंट्री पॉइंट्स. यू लर्न अ वैरायटी ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स इन CFA such as ethics, economics, equity markets, fixed income securities which is bonds, derivatives, portfolio management, corporate finance and so on, as you can see on your screens. Now, having qualified as a CFA, you have a variety of BFSI organizations waiting for you. So you can work in commercial banks, investment banks, private equity, hedge funds, asset management companies, wealth management companies, in a variety of analyst roles. Now, generally in India, it's seen that once you've completed all your 3 levels of CFA and obviously you finished your graduation, you can expect packages in the range of 7 to 9 lakhs in a variety of organizations. And obviously, once you add some more years of experience and more skills on the way, these packages only move northwards. I hope all these details help. Now, if you want to start your CFA journey, we're here to help. At Synthesis Learning, we are a house of global courses with 2 decades of experience in training students for CFA, CMA, ACCA, and other variety of other programs. So do reach out to us on the numbers below and we will be very happy to help. I'll also introduce you to an entire playlist of videos where we've created a lot of content around various things about CFA that you'd like to know. Do go and watch that out and I hope your questions are answered.